Hi and welcome. Marks and Spencer's have built up a good reputation for good quality products, but we found one that is misleading and definitely not good quality. Keep watching the video to find out what it is and how we discovered it. In June this year, a vehicle collided with our stone boundary wall. The vehicle, a Nissan Qashqai, demolished the wall and then travelled along the top of the wall for about 20 feet, causing extensive structural damage to the wall. The incident was attended by the police. A crime reference was obtained. Also, witness details were recorded at the scene. When we requested the driver's details, we were informed that she was insured with Marks Spencer car insurance. We then tried to obtain quotes for the repair to the damage that had been caused. Despite contacting a number of builders, only one actually came back with a quote. We then attempted to claim directly against Marks and Spencer's Insurance Services as a legitimate third-party claim against their policyholder. Despite providing full evidence, photographs of the damage, crime reference number and even obtaining a repair quotation, we received no meaningful response. All we got was repeated assurances that someone would be in touch shortly. For months, no one got in touch. After more than 8 weeks from the initial claim being submitted, without a resolution, we emailed them informing them that they had breached the Financial Conduct Authority's complaint handling rules, which requires a final response within 8 weeks. Again, we got the same response: someone will be in touch shortly. I then forwarded all the evidence, emails, to the Financial Ombudsman, to which they replied that because I was not a direct customer of M&S Insurance, there would be nothing that they could help us with. So I decided to escalate the matter directly to Marks and Spencer's CEO. His office replied to say that Marks and Spencer's Plc cannot investigate because their insurance services are sold through M&S Bank, which is actually owned and operated by HSBC. Quote, then said, having said this, Marks and Spencer Bank is part of the M&S brand. We take an active interest in the experiences of our customers that have dealings with M&S Bank. He had forwarded the details on to their customer services and they would be in touch shortly. But then days and days went by and I'd still heard nothing. I then sent an email to M&S Bank saying that the use of M&S Insurance is potentially misleading. Many customers reasonably assume that Marks and Spencer Plc is directly responsible for these services rather than HSBC through the M&S Bank. The lack of any effort to resolve the claim and the poor communication we have experienced regarding this response to the third-party claims is abysmal. Their response was to supply a contact number for M&S Insurance Plc and was told that they would be in contact shortly. Don't hold my breath. But after several days they had not been in contact with me. So I rang the company and was informed that M&S Insurance had indeed forwarded the original claim a couple of months previously. They said that the forwarded emails showed that I had sent attachments of the damage, but the pictures were not actually attached. I immediately sent all the information and pictures to them, as they had requested for me to do. They said they would then send the information to their loss adjuster. We will see how long it takes for them to get to this sorted. Again, I'm not holding my breath. This highlights the fact that using the name M&S Insurance is misleading, as most customers naturally assume Marks Spencer Plc to be directly responsible for the service. In reality, these insurance products are operated by HSBC through M&S Bank and their approved brokers, a distinction which is not made clear in marketing or correspondence. When issues arise, customers find themselves caught between M&S and HSBC, with neither taking any responsibility. Marks and Spencer's does have a strong reputation for quality and trust. However, our experience with M&S Insurance demonstrates substandard service and a lack of accountability that damages the M&S reputation. Please let us know your comments below. Have you had any dealings with M&S Insurance Services? I'll try and update you if we ever get the damage repaired.